Hello everyone, this is Manoj Kumar Patra. Welcome to all of you Edu for you. So in this video we'll discuss about that using a magnet to find the direction. How this magnet we are using to find the direction. Okay. So nowadays we know that we are using various purpose for the magnet, but in ancient time that the primary use was the magnet to find the direction. This is the main use to find the direction of the magnet. Okay. And important points is that whenever you will put the magnet allowed to move freely, if any magnet you want to allow freely to rest in the direction very close to the north and south pole, earth north and south direction, means whenever any magnet, suppose any bar magnet, suppose you want to freely suspended this one, then always it will remain in the direction of the earth north and south direction. Okay, so always it will remain in the earth north and south direction, and this north and south direction is, this property is used to find the direction of the surface of the earth by the travelers, those who are moving in the sea, for the ship to going one place to another place, they are easily calculate which direction they are moving. Due to this property they can get the direction easily. For this, one instrument with a magnet which is used to find the direction is called magnetic compass. That magnetic compass is helps us to find the direction in the earth surface. Okay, that is known as magnetic compass. That magnetic compass is usually a small box with a small magnetic needle at its center. One small magnetic needles and one with a very small box, it is present there. So always it will remain in the direction of north and south of the earth direction. Okay, this needle can rotate freely and always point in the direction of north south direction. Different direction like north, south, east and west, everything are present there. So according to this north and south direction, we can get easily which one is east direction, which one is west direction. So that question is that why this magnetic needle always points towards the north and south direction. Okay, so you see here, suppose I want to take a bar magnet. Suppose this is bar magnet, this one is north pole and south pole. Okay, so see our earth, so our earth is exactly behaving like a bar magnet, giant bar magnet, you know this one. So as our earth is behaving like a giant bar magnet, so this south pole and north pole, so you will remember the magnetic force of lines, earth magnetic force of lines always will move from the north direction to the south direction, means north pole to the south pole, earth's north pole to south pole, this one is north pole to south pole. So always this magnetic lines of force will move from north to south direction. Okay, so whenever you will keep the magnetic needle, so see here, suppose this one is the magnetic needle, this one is east direction, west direction, north and south. So whenever this magnetic needle come close to the earth, then you see this, I told you already, you know that the south and north, this opposite pole will attracted in nature and the same pole are repulsion in nature. So in this way, in this case, this is south pole and north pole, two different pole, so two different pole always attracted to each other. So this reason, so always this magnetic needle behaving like it north pole and south pole. If there will be same pole, means same, means south pole and south pole will be there, that time there will be repulsion, but this time it will be attraction in nature because it is different polar coming close to each other. This is the main reason, this magnetic needle behaving like a north and south direction. Is it clear all of you? So now we'll start attraction and repulsion. Now we'll clear what I was telling now. What is the same pole, what is opposite pole, what is attraction in nature, what is repulsion nature. So in this chapter we will discuss all these things. when two magnets are brought close to each other, they are either pulled towards each other or pushed away from each other. Means whenever any two magnet will come close to each other, it will show two things. One, it may pulls, or otherwise it may push. Okay. And whenever the magnet are pulled towards each other, they are said to be attracted each other. Pull toward means one magnet will attract to other one magnet will pull to another other one. It will show the attraction in nature. Whenever they are pushed away from each other, means they will push to one to another, then it will show the repulsion in nature. So whether the magnet attract or repel depend on which poles of the magnet are facing each other. So this one is very important. So when this magnet will push or pull, it is depend upon the in which pole it is remain to each other. Suppose north and north pole will be there, then it will show the repulsion. When south pole and south and north will come closer, then it will show the attraction. Means like pole and unlike pole. This is very important. So when like poles of magnet like north and north or south are brought close to each other, they repel. This is called repulsion. This one is known as repulsion. And when unlike poles of the magnet like north and south or south or north are brought close to each other, they attract. This is called attraction. Okay. Suppose I will take one example, like suppose this is the north pole. So now I will keep here one south pole. So see here, north pole and south pole, two different pole are there. Two different pole are there. Here is north pole, and here is south pole. So definitely here will be the attraction in nature. Suppose same here we will keep one magnet like north pole, another one you will keep here like a same north pole. If same pole you will keep, then it will be repulsion in nature. It will repel each other in this direction, but in this case they will come close to each other. So this is the difference. Same pole and means like pole and unlike pole. Is it clear all of you about the poles? Means which one is north, which one is south pole, how this attraction and repulsion is possible. So all these things we have discussed here. So now we'll discuss about the types of magnet. There are two types of magnet. That one is temporary magnet, another one is permanent magnet. Temporary magnet means the magnet that retain their magnetic properties only for a short period of time are called temporary magnet. Temporary magnet means whenever this magnetic property will remain there for the very short period of time. It will not lasting more times. Very less time it will lose their magnetic property. That is known as temporary magnet. Okay. And which one is permanent magnet? That magnet that retain their magnetic property for a long period of time are called permanent magnet. So this type of magnet will remain their magnetic property for a number of days, or couple of days it will remain there. Okay, this is permanent magnet. So two types of magnet, that is temporary and another one is permanent. So this temporary magnet are usually made of iron, cobalt and nickel. So these three materials are needed to make a temporary magnet. And whenever you want to keep the permanent magnet, so this the different materials, along with this material some different materials also will use, and these materials behave like magnets only when they are near a strong magnet. So whenever a strong magnet will remain with them, then that time it will behave their magnetic properties, and they quickly lose their magnetic property if the influence of the strong magnet is removed. If a strong magnetic field or strong magnet will remove, then their magnetic property, this temporary magnetic property will lose their property. But in the case of permanent magnet, they are made of mixture of iron, cobalt and nickel with other materials. So along with these three different material also we can keep with them. So these make strong magnet and retain their magnetic property for a long time. So this type of materials will keep their magnetic property for the long period of time. This is the permanent magnet. Is it clear, all of you? So if you clear this one, then please like and subscribe to my channel Edu for you. Thank you. God bless you.